Hey guys, welcome to my channel. As Diwali is soon approaching, I bring you a Diwali special series on my channel. This includes easy to make sweet and snack recipes. Please check the description box for the link to Diwali series playlist. Now let's get cooking with the third recipe of the series, which is Chiroti. In a bowl, take 2 cups of maida or all-purpose flour. Next, heat 2 tablespoons of oil and make it really hot. Add this hot oil in the flour. You will hear a sizzling sound. Be very careful while doing this. Now with a spoon, mix the oil with the flour. Next, rub the flour in between your fingers and mix it really well. To this, add half a teaspoon of salt. Add little water at a time and start kneading a tight dough. The dough should not be soft. Once the dough comes together, knead the dough for about 5 minutes to make it smooth. Cover and let it rest for 30 minutes. Here I have divided the dough into balls of the size to make a roti. Here I have a cup of powdered sugar mixed with half a teaspoon of green cardamom powder. In a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of maida and 4 tablespoons of oil. Mix these together to form a smooth paste. Now take a dough ball, dust some flour and roll out a roti. Make it as thin as possible. Here I have 5 roti rolled out. Place one roti. On top of that, apply the oil and maida paste. Place another roti on top and press it down. Repeat the same for 4 to 5 layers. After placing the last roti, spread the maida paste on top and make a roll with all the rotis together. Roll it tightly. Now cut the roll into 1-inch pieces. Here you can see the layers. Keep them aside in a plate. Take one piece and flatten it out. Apply some flour and roll it out like a puri. Here you can see the layers, and once you add it in the oil, it will puff up. Heat oil on medium flame and add a chiroti into it. Press it down with a strainer. Flip it over and fry on other side till it gets light golden and becomes crispy. Drain the oil and take it out. Fry the remaining in the same way. Once you have 4 to 5 chiroti ready, we will sprinkle sugar powder on top. We need to do this when chiroti is still hot. Sprinkle the sugar on both sides. Here you can see how crispy the chiroti is and also the layers. Do try crispy and melt in mouth chiroti this Diwali, and if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.